The following message is transmitted at the request of Los Angeles Police Department. A meteorite impact is expected to occur shortly. These are expected to land in the Pacific Ocean, and damage to land is not expected. A tsunami warning is currently in effect. The meteorites may cause a tsunami that could impact the area. A tsunami is a series of long ocean waves, and are not surfable waves. All shores are at risk no matter which direction they face. All residents should remain well away from the coastline until the tsunami threat subsides. Debris picked up and carried by a tsunami also poses a significant threat. If you live near coastline in the area, you are strongly encouraged to evacuate to higher ground. The actual wave heights cannot be determined until after impact has occurred. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. Aliens are attacking the city of Los Angeles. The meteorites that landed in the Pacific Ocean several hours ago were actually craft for aliens. They are now terrorizing and destroying the city of Los Angeles. Civilians in the area are strongly encouraged to evacuate now. There is no time to prepare. Get in your car now and leave, but do so in a safe and orderly manner. A contraflow pattern will be implemented on freeways in the area. No one will be allowed into the city on many major thoroughfares. Tune to stations serving your area for the latest information on this life-threatening situation.